The recent comments by Chris Mutsvangwa, ZANU-PF spokesperson, have sent shockwaves through the nation. His pointed remarks, directed at President Mnangagwa's third-term ambitions, have exposed deep fissures within the ruling party. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. This public airing of internal dissent is unprecedented. It signals a shift in the political landscape. The once seemingly impenetrable facade of unity within ZANU-PF is crumbling. The implications for the upcoming elections are significant. A divided ruling party could pave the way for a more competitive electoral contest. However, it also raises concerns about the potential for instability and violence. The international community is watching Zimbabwe's political developments with keen interest. The country's history is marred by human rights abuses and electoral irregularities. A peaceful and democratic transition of power is crucial for Zimbabwe's reintegration into the global community. Foreign investors are hesitant to commit to a country perceived as politically volatile. Zimbabwe desperately needs investment to revive its ailing economy. A free and fair election is the first step towards restoring international confidence. The world is holding its breath, hoping that Zimbabwe can break free from its troubled past and chart a new course for the future. President Mnangagwa's intention to seek a third term has ignited a firestorm of controversy. Critics argue that this move violates the spirit of the Constitution. They point to the two-term limit as a safeguard against the concentration of power. However, Mnangagwa's supporters counter that the constitutional provision does not explicitly bar a third term. They maintain that he is within his rights to seek re-election. This legalistic interpretation ignores the underlying principles of democratic governance. Term limits are designed to prevent the entrenchment of authoritarian rule. The controversy surrounding Mnangagwa's third-term bid has exposed the deep divisions within ZANU-PF. Mutsvangwa's public rebuke of the president is a clear sign of internal dissent. It suggests that a significant faction within the party is opposed to Mnangagwa's ambitions. This internal power struggle could have significant implications for the party's electoral prospects. That's it for today on Zim News Live YTS. Feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.